Today I will show you how to make this glowing effect in Photoshop. Select Pen tool. Choose Path from here. And start selecting. Right-click. Choose Make Selection. Feather radius 0 pixels, then click OK. Press Ctrl-J or Command-J to duplicate selection. Name it if you want. Go to Select. Subject. Go Select again and click on Select and Mask. Paint to edges of hair to refine. Check on Decontaminate Colors. Output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Rename. And hide it. Create a Color Lookup Adjustments layer. Choose Night from Day. Decrease opacity to 80%. Right-click on Pages layer and convert it to Smart Object. Press Ctrl or Command-G to make a group. Change Blend Mode to Linear Dodge. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Radius 5 pixels, then click OK. Ctrl or Command-J to duplicate. Then double-click here. Increase radius to 100 pixels, then click OK. Repeat the process 2 more times, but change the amount to radius. Create Hue and Saturation Adjustment layer. Activate Clipping Mask icon. Check on Colorize. And follow the process. Ctrl or Command-J to duplicate. Drag and drop it here. Hold Alt or Option drag and release mask on this layer. If you see this message, click on Yes. Go to Blending Options. Hold Alt or Option to break slider. Click OK. Change blending to Linear Dodge. Create Levels Adjustment layer. Hold Alt or Option and drag mask on bottom layer. Click Yes. Select Mask. Press Ctrl or Command-I to invert mask. Drag this slider to make background darker. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.